Alright people, here you go. Today I'm going to show you how to fix your Cadillac. This is a Cadillac 2014 ATS model, but you see I have just over 60,000 miles, 61. Right now my radio's working, I have all my features, my radio, you see it, everything, kind of works. Parts of the screen works, as you see. It's not frozen, but I'm going to show you how to freeze it and unfreeze it. This is how I do it. This is going to save y'all a lot of money. The dealers don't want to tell you how, but it's so simple. I took it in to get an oil change and it happened. Actually, the guy that did it was my friend that works there, so this is kind of how I figured it out. You see it's frozen now. You hit it, nothing works. But this is how you do it. While your car's running, turn your radio off. Hold your power button. You see it. You're hitting the corner where your clock is. Sometimes it works funny. You might have to hit it a few times. Bear with me. Just keep hitting the clock. The corners work. Nothing worked. But if you hit the corners, get sound, letting you know something's happening. Power it back on for a second. Alright, you see how I turned it back on, then you get set, exit, and all you have to do is just hit your radio. Voila, radio's fixed. There you go, you're back to your radio. You're no more fixed on that home screen. Thanks, man. I hope you liked the video. That took me under, 2 minutes? Thank you. Please like me. It's my first. And I won't post many videos, but I had to help you guys because this shit was really killing me.